Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look. A lot of you guys requested me to do this look. This was Alia Bhatt's look in IIFA and I got so many DMs of you guys requesting me to do this look. I was like, okay, I have to do this look. I tried to make this look as simple as possible with minimal eyeshadows and minimal everything going on the face. I'm gonna wear this look during the pujas, be it Shaptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami, I don't know which day. So if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start by hydrating my face. And since Alia was wearing a strapless thing, so I thought why not wear a strapless one as well. So this is what I'm wearing. I have my clothes on. I'm going to hydrate my face with this Stembotany Youth Oil. And you can use any moisturizer you want. I'm just going to take a drop of it. And just apply it on my face. This gives a beautiful glow to the skin because Alia's face is very glowy. So I just wanted to start with something really hydrating. You can use any moisturizer you love that hydrates your skin. Now I'm going to prime my face, and the primer I'm using is my all-time favorite. This one is the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. I'm going to use the foundation, and Alia has a really glowy face, so I love this foundation. This one is the Loreal Infallible 24 Hours. I absolutely love this. The sponge I'm going to use is the Real Techniques sponge. I love the plume sponge, but at this point it's really dirty. I really have to wash it. So I'm using the Real Techniques sponge. I also love this one. I use very little foundation. I don't like using too much foundation. And this was not even a pump. So I'm done with the foundation. Now I'm gonna conceal my under eye. The one that I'm gonna use is my absolute favorite. This one is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. The salmon shade in it really helps to cover the dark circles. And now with the blender, I'm just gonna blend it. The reason why I love this concealer is because it blends really well, and it also at the same time covers the dark circles really nicely. The next concealer I'm going to use is to brighten my under eye area, and this one is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I'm just going to use a very tiny amount. Look how instantly it brightened my under eye area. Now I'm going to use a powder to set it, and the powder I'm going to use is this loose powder. This one is the Bharat and Dorris loose powder. And I'm just going to apply it with my Real Techniques sponge. Apply it in my under eye area. And then blend it instantly. This one is a new light that I'm trying in this video. And let me know if you like it. I absolutely love this lighting. I think the previous lighting was a little bit yellowish, but this one isn't. And then blend this one as well. I'm not going to apply powder on my face. I want my face to be really glowy. The eye is very easy. I don't want to make it too complicated. Probably it's just gonna be a 2 eyeshadow look. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. This one is the Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow. This one is a medium brown. This is not too cool and not too warm, just somewhere in between. It's a beautiful brown. Whoops! You can go for a warm brown shade as well because her brown really seemed to be warm. So you can take any brown you like, which is similar to this shade, and apply it in the crease area. And then just apply it all over the lid. Every makeup look I do, It's kind of an experiment on camera because I don't practice makeup looks before I film it. I don't know if anyone does, but at least I don't. So whenever I'm filming a makeup video, it's the first time I'm trying that look. So it's kind of an experiment, which actually I love. So many of you guys requested me for this look that I had to do it. I had other work scheduled, but then I thought that if so many of you want this look, then yeah, you should get this look. So this became my priority. I think we are done. A little bit more, okay? And then promise we're done with this shade. Now I'm going to use another shade, and this one is from another palette, not this one. And the palette is, I think, the long forgotten one. This one is from Maybelline, the Nudes palette, and it is this golden shade. You can use any golden shade which is similar to this one. I'm going to use this brush. You can use any flat eyeshadow brush, but I can't find my flat eyeshadow brush, so I'm going to use this one, which is anything but an eyeshadow brush, but still, I'm going to use it. So apply it all over the lids. If I would have applied it with the finger, then the pigmentation would have been much more, but I didn't want the pigmentation to be that prominent. I wanted a little sheen on the eyelids, and that is the reason why I picked a brush. Because Alia's eyelids look very, very I don't know, I can't find the word, but you guys get it? I can't believe I just had a conversation with you like that. What I meant to say is Alia's look is not very bam on the face. It's very, very soft. So yeah, soft is the word. So I chose the brush because I wanted this to be really, really soft. This is somewhat similar to Alia's eye look. She has sparkles on, but I really don't have anything in golden which has glitters on it. I have one from Glittery World which is like chunky glitters, but I don't want to use that for this look because she doesn't have chunky glitters on her eyelids. It's very, very soft. It's like this, which is looking kind of similar. You guys always ask me to name my brushes. I'm sorry, I forgot. This one is the Oriflame blending brush. This is just a random brush which I got online, like a flat top head brush. I really don't know what the name is. So I'm again going in with the brown because I really want the gold and the brown to be really meshed in. So she also has the same thing going on her lower lash line. I'm going to use the same brown first and just giving it a light wash of colors. That's it. And then doing the same with the gold. Okay, now I'm going to take this shade. This one is a champagne shade. Like a peachy golden shade. I'm going to take it and apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. So that's my eyebrows done. Now for the bronzer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Contour Palette, and I'm going to use this shade. So the brush I'm using is this Oriflame blush brush. I'm also going to bring it a little bit on the cheeks, a little bit on my temples and my jawline. So this gives a beautiful sun-kissed look to your face. She's not wearing much of blush. So I'm going to take this Maybelline Master Blush Palette and I'm going to use this peach shade. And the brush I'm using is the QVS blush brush. So just a light wash of color. And just a little bit on the nose. It looks beautiful actually. Now I'm going to apply the highlighter. I'm going to use this shade, which is the same shade I applied on my eyelids. This brush is a foundation brush from Studio West. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. And the mascara I'm going to use is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I'm not going to apply false lashes today. And also on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black and just tight line my upper lash line, just exactly where the lashes are. That is it. Now going for the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to apply this Lakme Enrich Lip Crayon in the shade Peach Magnet. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Blushing Ambition. And then just dab it with my fingers. And I'm done with this look. I just absolutely love this look. It turned out to be so pretty and so beautiful and glowy, and you can totally wear it in Shoptami morning or Shoptami evening or Ashtami, Navami, Dashami, whenever you feel like, or if you're just going out, hanging out with your friends. And not exactly hanging out with my friends because I don't wear makeup when I hang out with my friends. So you can just wear this look whenever you want. Yeah. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it. And oh, I'm very bad with hair. I think she has a French braid on, which looks absolutely stunning. But since I'm extremely bad with hair, I don't know what to do with my hair. I'm not even gonna try. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then you know the drill. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video or post any stories or post anything in the community. You can be a part of it, and keep on pouring those lovely comments. You know how I love replying to all your comments, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.